ask me a question?
I have three questions. And one question, what are the reasons and motivation for choosing Nazareth College and these events?
Nazareth College has been, using us for the show, or we're using them, for the show for many years now, and we have built up a wonderful rapport. The people here have been excellent to work with. They're very cooperative. They are anxious to please us. The facility fills, we have such big facility here. It's spacious. We have the other rooms back there. There's plenty of room. There's a place for people to go for lunch and then come back down again. There's also adequate bathrooms that are convenient for people. They can line up inside. They don't have to stand out in the cold. So we have really, really enjoyed our partnership with Nazareth College to put on this show. Brian McGahan has been a joy to work with. So cooperative, so helpful, that I have almost very little to ask of him because he already knows exactly what I want him to do.
Excellent.
So it's been a joy to work with Nazareth College for this show. And if they ever ask me to do things, I will jump through hoops. I will jump to do whatever they ask because I do not want them to ever not want us.
Yeah. Okay. And next question: what are the criteria for selection candidates from among the students a grant from Tennessee Country Antiques Dealers Association?
I'm not quite sure the question. You want to know the criteria for choosing
among
student
grants?
Why do we do?
And
we are giving them a grant.
program schedule, futures.
We allow the college more or less to pick the student, but we choose an art student as opposed to, say, an engineering or a medical student. We want it specifically for an art major. The scholarship. Is that what you're asking me? The scholarship?
Yeah. And this faculty department, art, jewelry, restoration, pottery.
They can choose whom they feel will benefit by the scholarship. We do not choose them. We feel that we are contributing to the arts by preserving the arts that were there years ago. So we feel as though we would like to contribute to someone who is in the art department now, who will continue the work that we feel that the people who have made this beautiful pottery and the paintings and the furniture.
And finally, a question: is your name and your regalia, schedule and name? Use name in this association.
You're talking about the Genesee Country and
in association.
What do you? I don't understand what regalia you're talking about. As your name and regalia are the first question. You mean what is an antique show? Yeah. Is that what you're asking me?
I think he's asking you who are you and what's your position here in the organization.
Oh, you want to know about
your
me?
General Chief? Manager?
Yes. What is your name and your position?
Okay. No. My name is Roberta Paul, and I have been doing this for a number of years, mostly the past 10 to 15 years because I've retired from teaching. And I taught English as a second language, but I have always been interested in history and antiquity and things that were made by hand. Things that were not just made by machine like you have today.
Okay.
I really appreciate hand-painted china, paintings for the wall, furniture that has been made by hand, as a handcraft rather than by machinery. I do not really like things that are made today for the most part. They come from China. This is our heritage. This chair was made here in this country. And I like that. I like the idea that it was by hand from someone. And that is one of the reasons that I like giving a scholarship to an art student, because maybe they will have a painting on the wall someday. Maybe they will make the furniture. Maybe they will make things with their hands.
Okay. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.